There's the model number of this board, mpf7726l. This is a Hitachi power supply, and the common problem is these two capacitors. You can see they're swelled up. And this is just going to demonstrate how I do the repair service. Basically, you're just taking these two capacitors out. That's it. You're replacing them with the same value. $3,300 microfarad, and making sure that the voltage is right. 100 volts. So this guy is getting changed out with this. It sits a little higher, but it's going to clear it. So I'm going to change these two out. I'm going to show you how I do that. In a previous Hitachi video that I did, I didn't show you how I changed those capacitors out. So I'm going to find a way of demonstrating it in just a second. Okay, so you're going to locate in the bottom of your board. You got these 2 points here and this point here. It's for your capacitor. Now you want to make sure you have your polarity correct. By polarity, you have this one line here, that's your negative side. The other side that doesn't have that line there, is your positive. So you always want to make sure you put the negative toward the marking of the board. You see that white line? That'd be the negative side of the board. Now, to remove this, what I'm going to do, and when I heat up the bottom, I'm going to pull pressure on one side, and I'm going to push pressure. Now you can use a solder sucker. You can use a desoldering iron, but for quick fixes like this, I just use a hot iron and I'm done. So I'm going to show you how I do it. And quick things like this. Hopefully you can still see. We'll do this one here. And as you can see, I've already got this capacitor out. It's done. And the next one, it's just a matter of, like I said, I'm going to heat it up on one side. You're going to pull, heat the other one. I'm going to push down, heat this. And you're just going to keep working it until your capacitor comes out. And the capacitor's out. Now this one I think is kind of cool. And I felt it as I pulled it out of the board. You may not be able to hear this. But it's so dry inside. It's the paper material inside there. You can actually shake it. Same way with this. But it's not as bad as this. So, that's my tutorial on how to replace the capacitor in that. I don't need to bore you to death about what this is. Check out my other links in the video description. Subscribe. Leave me a comment. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.